Hey everyone, welcome to Monday, July 16th, all things BOGO. So I wanted to come on and do a quick video just showcasing why these two oils are amazing and why doTERRA really hit the jackpot by starting off BOGO week with them. So if you're unfamiliar with doTERRA, they are the largest essential oil company in the world and they have the purest, most amazing oils. So today's BOGO, where you buy one and you get one free, is Serenity. So you buy Serenity, which is the restful blend. It is $30 US or 38.25 Canadian, and then you get lavender for free. So this is a free bottle of lavender. I believe it's $21, 20 or $21. So you can get up to 5 of these BOGOs. So you would simply add Serenity to your cart and doTERRA will take care of the lavender for you. So you're gonna get 2 beautiful oils. So it's about $50 worth of oils for the price of 30. Okay, so I'm using that in US dollars. So these really are 2 staple oils for sleep and stress support and just calming and relaxing. And I really do think that my home would be lost without them. And I'm going to tell you a quick funny side story about Serenity actually. It actually was not my favorite recently because I am pregnant and I think the ylang ylang in it has kind of put me off of it, but that means I didn't stop using it because I need it in my life. So I'm going to start with Serenity and my top ways to use it. So as I've mentioned, how it has been kind of a little off-putting smell to me because pregnancy does funny things to you. I have been putting it on the bottoms of my feet. So I find that when I use this to help with sleep support and I put it on the bottoms of my feet, I do get more restful sleep. And just because it has a lot of good oils in it that are really grounding and help with calming and relaxing and all that. So don't discount putting it on your feet. It's actually one of the most effective ways to use the oils. You have the thickest skin there, so it's actually a great entry point for kids to getting into oils. So if you are in doubt of how to topically put oils on the body, bottoms of the feet is very good one to default to. So I'm just going to read you quickly the ingredients in Serenity. So it has lavender, it has cedarwood. So cedarwood is just a really rooty, earthy oil too that is great for sleep support too. It has hoe wood, it has ylang ylang, it has marjoram, it has Roman chamomile, vetiver, which is really grounding too. And this has been a recent addition to the Serenity blend as of a year ago. So it has really helped even connect more to, calming and relaxing feelings. There's vanilla bean in it too, which is the smell you totally get when you open the bottle, and then Hawaiian sandalwood. So this I love on the bottoms of the feet. You can also pair it in the diffuser before bed. So I like to get a diffuser going in our bedroom, mine and my husband's, and then my daughter's bedroom about 30 minutes before bedtime. So Serenity matches beautifully with Balance. If you're familiar with that, it's called the grounding blend, or Wild Orange. Serenity and Wild Orange is a beautiful one to diffuse too, or even just Serenity on its own, because remember, it is a blend of oils. So they've kind of taken care of blending mixing all these oils together to target in on this specific oil, i.e. the restful blend. So you don't even have to blend it with anything. If you are new to oils, just pop, as little as 3 or 4 drops in your diffuser 30 minutes before bed and get it going and just really enjoy the benefits of it. If you are someone like me who has more anxious feelings, I can get really anxious, and it really depends on how much coffee I'm drinking too. This is a great one for that. So because it smells so beautiful, you could apply it, dab it on the wrist. I actually have a roller blend. It's called my Calm and Relax blend, and it has Serenity in it. It also has cedarwood. So if you remember, there is cedarwood in this, but I love the smell of cedarwood on its own. And again, it doesn't hurt to add more into it. So it has cedarwood, Serenity, and Balance in it. And then I just roll it on the wrist and breathe it in that way. If you are really anxious, like I mentioned, or need to calm and relax, even a drop of Serenity in the palms of your hands, rub together and take a deep inhale can really do wonders for your body. So those are a few ways to use Serenity. And I also love to put it in a bath too. So very useful for sleep, stress, anxious feelings, support. And again, lavender will do that for you too. But if you are looking for that next level, then this is a great BOGO to score on, because you're not only going to get the benefits of lavender, and lavender has way more versatile benefits to it. I find Serenity is great for those really specific sleep, stress, anxiety, relaxation, calming support. So this will be your go-to for that. But if you're looking for more multi-purpose, lavender has you covered. So guys, I never have or not have this in my home. If we don't have lavender in my home, I think that the world's gonna end. So lavender really is such a versatile oil, like I've mentioned, that we use it probably daily. So why it's great for, especially right now, being summer and all the bugs and all that, is it's great for bug bites and bumps and bruises, and if you are out in the sun and sunburns and all that. Lavender really helps repair the skin, so it's going to be great topically. So I like to have this on hand as a first aid tool. I am a mom, so kids get bumps and bruises, so it's a good one to have. And the great thing about lavender is you can apply it neatly, which means that we all know oils are very potent and strong, but lavender can be applied to the skin topically without having to dilute down. This doesn't mean you don't need, or if you want, or if you feel safer knowing that you're diluting it down, you can totally dilute it down still and it will have the same effectiveness, but it's just one that is a more gentle oil to put on the body without having to worry about dilution. But again, up to you. If you still want to dilute down, you're not changing the effectiveness of it. So again, sunburns, it's very effective. I normally burn on my shoulders, so I'll put it on there with a little coconut oil to just help it rub it in better. And then by the next day, your skins are like regenerated, or your skin cells are regenerated, and you are back to that nice brown glow. It's also, again, great for sleep and relaxation too. Putting it in a bath, popping it in the diffuser in place of Serenity, or with wild orange. I love lavender and wild orange, or lavender and breathe and cedarwood in the diffuser. So great that way. And this is also a great one for your green beauty routine. So I've mentioned this before. This is one of my favorite uses for lavender, but when you get a new tube of mascara, to add a drop of it to your mascara. And again, I do promote looking for more natural brands of mascara. You can use great apps like Think Dirty or Environmental Working Group's database, which is Skin Deep, to just kind of rate your current beauty products, mascara included. So I love 100% Pure brand is the one I use right now. So just add a drop to a new tube, and it's going to help lengthen and volumize your lashes. And it's also great for adding moisture to your hair. So you could add a drop to your shampoo or your dry shampoo, or even now I could just add a drop in my hands and just kind of rub it in the ends of my hair, and just make sure that my hair smells beautiful for one, and getting that moisture added back in. So lavender, like I said, great for skin, great for sleep support, great for calming those anxious feelings as well. And you can actually ingest this too. So if you are suffering from seasonal allergies, it's a great natural antihistamine too. So this is a great one to add a drop to a glass of water, or take in an empty veg cap, and you can get the benefits that way as well. And because you can ingest it, you could, flavor your beverages and your baking. So think like lavender cupcakes and stuff like that. It's really effective that way as well. So those would probably be my top uses for lavender. So again, you buy Serenity today and you get lavender for free. You can get up to 5 of this, so that means 5 bottles of each, and it's an amazing deal. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any more questions, just pop them below, or send me a message. And if you aren't connected with oils yet and you've been chatting to me about them and you think today is your day, really, if you do today's BOGO, you almost pay for your membership for the year, which is crazy. So it would give you a year 25% off wholesale pricing, and boom, you're good to go. So hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you guys later.